So, hi guys! Welcome to our channel. And today, nakikita nyo po, nasa gubat kami. Magugubat po ang pamilya Boeker. So, we will explore one of the forests here in Germany. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, look the forest. So, yeah, ito po ang nature sa Germany. Yan. Ayan po, oh, ang bata. May mga snacks sa bag. Yan. So, naglalakad lang po kami. Since maganda ang weather today, explore lang po namin ang forest at saka yung baka may makita kami na special things share namin sa inyo. Wow, look, ang tataas ng puno.
Hi guys, today we're in the forest and as you can see we have wonderful weather and yeah, we will just have some experience in the forest. And if we look at the spot where the camera is pointed, we cannot see anything interesting. But let's have a closer look and we'll be impressed. As we can see already, there's a small hole and we are curious what animal took this hole for its home. Let's see. Here we see a nest from wasps which live in the forest, and they made a nest in the ground. And we'll just look at it. It's amazing if you see how many wasps go inside and outside. They are the workers. They're collecting food for the queen inside. This is like a busy airport. There's wasps going inside with some food, with materials to build their house or food for the queen. And then there is wasps which coming out again. And all around the place there is wasps collecting things.
Yan guys, tumutulay si Marcus. Favorite niya talaga ang mga delikadong gawin. Oo. So ayan, susunod na rin ang little Marcus. Itatry niya rin kung kaya niya. So tingnan natin. Okay, he said last try. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Han, is it not? Oh, Han. It will... Yan po, every morning, andyan sila to hunt some animals like deer, so usa sa atin, and then wild rabbit, wild pork, yan po, yan. Halos lahat po ng forest dito sa Germany, merong ganyan, pero not everybody is allowed to hunt animals. May mga special license po. Meron na namang isang hunter stand na nandito sa forest. Ayan. So guys, tara akyatin natin. Nasa taas na ako. So, ayan yung upuan niya. Wow, look the view from the top. So usually, nagpupunta sila dito ng mga 5 a.m., 4 a.m. And then, nag-check sila ng animal na pwede nilang i-hunting. Wow, it's so nice. So, yan naman yung view pababa.
Jan, that's my pop.
Oh! Nambabat ang bubwet.
Hindi ako bubet, ikaw bubet.
Family day. Hi! Damag ama is nag-uuto.
Kaya,
Look, Elia, look. Titirahin ka ng daddy, oh. Tignan mo. Ouch!
Watch out, guys. Here we see a wonderful butterfly. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you the type of the butterfly. I can just show you how beautiful he is. He has a varieties of orange and some black, some dots, stripes.
Yan, ayan. Kumukuha kami ng wild plum.
aber schau mal hier, die sind alle aufgeplatzt.
Pengi rin ako. Give me some.
Ja.
Kasi guys, gutom na kami. Kaya kuha na lang muna kami ng wild plum. Pero sigurado naman kami na nakakain yun. Ayan. Pang merienda.
Bist du dir sicher, der hat eine?
Nakakarami na sila.
Also, wir müssen was
Yeah, wow, look. Kaunti lang yung bunga nila. Ayan o, ayan yung nakuha ni Elia.
Tapos si Daddy.
Si daddy din. Tikman mo nga kung maasim o matamis.
Maasim tapos matamis.
Combine.
Opo.
Sarap.
Mm.
Fresh na fresh.
Opo.
Ano masasabi mo?
Masarap.
Masarap. Ano, parang siniguela siya sa Pilipinas. Wait, kagating ko lang. Ayan yung loob niya, oh. Ang sarap, maasim na matamis. This one, hazelnut. Hindi pa siya ripe. Hindi pa siya hinog. Ayan, oh. Han, is it also wild? Wild hazelnut. Yan. Tumutubo lang sila dito basta-basta sa forest dito sa Germany. And guys, tingnan nyo, ayan naman ang wild raspberries, pero hindi pa siya hinog. Yan. Actually, ang dami-dami mong makakain pag namasyal ka sa gubat sa Germany. Pero you're only allowed to eat something if you're sure. Yeah. Because some of those are also poisonous. Yeah.
Sama to yung dahon.
Patingin. Oh, nalubog si Elias. Ito yung dahon. Oh, paano ka makakaalis dyan? Ooh. Summer po ngayon sa Germany. Yeah, then ito pong mga dahon na to is from last year. normally natatanggal yung dahon, mga dahon end of October. Yeah, so from last year pa po yung mga dahon na yan. So lahat po ng nakikita nyong dahon is mawawala po lahat yan pag winter. Yeah. Ayan, oh, naglalaro na ng dahon. Ay!
Look guys, what we found here. We'll go slowly closer and you can see a small hill, and we'll just see what it is and who it built. And as we can already see, there's a lot of ants. So what does it tell us? It's the house of the ants, and it's all built by the ants. So the ants, bit by bit, they made this small hill out of old branches and needles. And you see it's like the whole hill seems like moving. There's so many ants. It's a huge colony of ants which is living in this build in this hill. You can see it has to be thousands of ants which are living in this building, and you can see there is holes where they can enter and where they go out again, and they will run around in the whole forest and get food and get new materials for building. There are a lot of streets of ants, and we'll try to get an ant which is carrying something. Look, this one here. She's so small, but she has a huge branch. It really seems the whole hill is moving.
Papa, ich habe hier was Geiles entdeckt.
Okay.
Kann ich dir kurz was sagen?
So.
Die Ameisen klettern sogar auf den Baum. Da vorne.
And my son just said that the ants are even walking up the tree. Let's see.
Papa, du hast mich gerade auf ein Loch getreten.
Oh yeah, as we can see here, there's a road of ants going up the tree. This is really amazing.
Yo, wait!
Woohoo! Hey, ay, 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 ay.
Mama! Nalaglag ako.
Here comes the slowly the last one.
Yan po, oh. May palaka din sa Germany. Yan po ang itsura ng isa sa palaka din.
Fangen!
Wait. Guys, ayan, nahuli ni Elia, pero syempre papakawalan niya rin po mamaya.
Papagkagawalan ko na siya.
Bye-bye kaibigang palaka.
Bye-bye.
Ay, ayaw niya pa. Ayaw niya pa, anak. Gusto niya pa sa'yo. Ayun. Bye-bye kaibigang palaka.
Bye-bye.
Sa susunod na pagkikita. Malaki ka na. Bye!
Bye.
May usa. Ayun, yung usa.
Elia, bleib da.
Ito naman, no, tignan nyo. Pine tree. Pero, ang may-ari nito private. Yan, kasi dito sa Germany, pag Christmas, talagang fresh pine tree ang ginagamit nila. So, Christmas tree. Yan. So, pambenta yan. Halos lahat. Dito puro totoong puno ang ginagamit nila. Every Christmas, madalang gumagamit ng plastic. Guys, tingnan nyo. Nakatungkod. Parang ermitanyo lang. Ayan po. Pabalik na kami. Ano yan?
Who says you need a fitness trainer? The only thing you need is a son who has good ideas. Let's see what these two are doing. She's trying to pull and my son is trying to hold her back. So that's a perfect training for the day.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
That's a training for today. So we saved the entrance for fitness studio.
1, 2, 3, yeah!
Oh!
Winner!
Are you okay?
Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy it. Bye guys!